Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween stickers with the Happy Halloween Stickers Creepy Vinyl Decals Scary Horror Movies Creepy Halloween Stickers for Cars, Laptops, Water Bottle, featuring the Charlie Bag Pumpkin design. This product is a must-have for all Halloween enthusiasts looking to add a spooky touch to their belongings. The Happy Halloween stickers are high-quality vinyl stickers that are waterproof, self-adhesive, heat-resistant, and easily removable. Made of matte finish vinyl with lasting durability, these stickers are perfect for applying to cars, laptops, water bottles, windows, bumpers, motorcycles, doors, walls, and more. The Charlie Bag Pumpkin design adds a creepy and fun element to your Halloween decor. These stickers are perfect for Halloween enthusiasts looking to add a spooky touch to their belongings. Whether you want to decorate your car, laptop, water bottle, or any other hard or smooth surface, these stickers will add a fun and creepy element to your decor. They can be easily applied and removed, allowing you to change up your decorations as often as you like. In conclusion, the Happy Halloween Stickers Creepy Vinyl Decals Scary Horror Movies Creepy Halloween Stickers for Cars, Laptops, Water Bottle are the best Halloween car stickers available in the market. With their high-quality vinyl material, waterproof design, and creepy Charlie Bag Pumpkin theme, these stickers are a must-have for all Halloween enthusiasts. Add a spooky touch to your belongings with these fantastic stickers. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Happy Halloween!